As you see, stories consist of several parts. Hi, I'm Bill Booz, and I teach a course called Mobile Video Storytelling, in which you learn how to create better storytelling videos to use for promotional purposes or just to tell stories. In this course, we don't just focus on equipment, apps, and techniques for video recording. We also take a look at how to tell a good story and what makes up a good story. You will examine typical traditional storytelling components and learn how to fit your story into that matrix. You will learn that you are the storyteller in your story, even though you might be the main character. And if you're not, how are you going to identify which character is the main character that will carry your story and help you to tell your story? This is another example of something you learn in my 6-hour hands-on training, in which you learn how to create compelling 2 to 3 minute videos to tell a story. Check out my website, download the brochure, and if you have questions, give me a call or drop me an email. Thank you.